Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you 5 hacks that make web development easy. Now the first one we're going to be looking at is how to create multiple HTML elements of the same type at once. Now this is helpful in scenarios like, for example, you create an ordered list element and you want to create list item elements inside that element without doing it one by one. Now how would you actually make this happen? So let me go over to Visual Studio Code and let me clear this up. So we create the ordered list element. Now I want to create a list item element without doing it one by one. So how you do this? You type the name of the element, you shift asterisk, and then the number of times that you want this element to be created. And now we see that the list item elements have been created 5 times without doing it one by one. So another one we could take a look at is how to create an element and its class name at once, instead of creating the element and then its class name separately, which takes more time. So let me create, for example, a paragraph element, and then we want to create that element with its class name at once, and want to name the class name box. So all you do is you press the dot and then you type box and you press enter. Now we see that we have created a paragraph element with a class name of box at once. Also, there is a way to edit multiple lines of code at once. Now this is easy. All you have to do is you click where you want to edit, and then you hold the Alt key, and then you click in other lines of code that you want to edit. And if you want to remove any one from the selection, you could just click it. It's being removed from the selection, and then you can click it again to add it to the selection. And then now you could remove text. You could also write text easily without having to do it repeatedly, which wastes more time. Then there's another one which is similar to what I've already showed you guys, but this is for ID, not class, and it's almost the same thing. So if you want to create an element and its ID at the same time, instead of creating it separately, you just type the name of the element right there with the hash symbol, and then the name that you want to give the ID, which will say box, right, and then you create it at once instead of creating it separately. And finally, we have a way to comment multiple lines of code easily and at once, and in my opinion this is the most important of them all, simply because you can use it in other languages apart from HTML. And if you have been following this video up to this moment, it's totally worth it. So now what we need to do is to highlight the lines of code that we want to comment, right, and then what we need to do is to hold Control or Command and then hit the /, and now we see that these multiple lines of code have been commented. So that's it guys, 5 keyboard shortcuts and hacks that make web development easy. Now if you want me to do a video about more keyboard shortcuts and hacks that you could use in Visual Studio Code to make your web development environment more productive and efficient, just leave it in the comment section and I'll get right on that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I create new videos like this one. And comment what you think about the video, how you think it can be improved on, or any other video you want me to do next, and I'll get right on that. I'll see you in the next one guys. Stay blessed.